Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this time we will learn how to design connecting road in SolidWorks. Here we have drawing. We want to export to solid part connecting road. Okay, just start it, open SolidWorks, and here we use millimeter unit. So ensure for unit select in millimeter gram second. Okay, we start draw from front view in here. So right click on front plane and click sketch. Now draw center line from this origin point to the top like this. Form the distance here in the length or height in 201. So set for dimension in 201 millimeter like this. Draw two circle diameter 34 and 55. Here select circle. First circle have diameter in 34 and second circle have diameter in 45 millimeter like this. Then we can see again in here have a half of circle sketch. So make or select again two circle, draw from this point. First circle have radius in 27, so diameter in 54 like this, and second have radius in 36, so diameter in 72 millimeter like this. After that, select line, draw from this half of circle to this point. Erase with trim entities this and this. We just need sketch like this. Okay. After that, make a line in here. Select line, draw like this, and click this point. Click Ctrl on your keyboard and click the circle. Click make coincident. Click this point. Click Ctrl and click this line or a half of circle in here, and click make coincident again. You can adjust in here, and don't forget in here have angle in 6 degree, but in here I want to set this line to the center line. A half of 6 degree is 3 degree like this. Okay, we just to make a half because after that we can to mirror entities this line. Okay, here we can see have radius in 23 and in here have radius in 40. So you can select in here 3-point arc, draw from this circle to this line like this. Ensure this arc, click Ctrl and click the circle, click make tangent, click this arc and click this line, click Ctrl, hold and click make tangent. And here for radius in 23. And here this point to this center line have distance in 10 millimeter. So input distance in 10 millimeter like this. We can to trim entities here this line. Okay. Like this. Don't forget in here, click again 3-point arc, draw from this circle to this line. Ensure this arc, click Ctrl and click this circle, click make tangent, this arc and this line, click make tangent. Okay, like this. Set for radius in here in 40 like this. And we can to trim edit this again to this line. Okay. Now we have to mirror this line with mirror entities. Entities to mirror, click this line, click this arc and click this arc. And for mirror about, just click this center line. Click OK. Okay. We can check for angle this line to this line in 6 degree because in here in 3 degree like this. Okay, after we make sketch like this, just click feature and click extrude brush or base. First, select this. For selected contour, click this sketch and this sketch to middle in here. But for direction, we can change in mid plane. For symmetry part, here have thickness in 18. Input here in 18 millimeter for dip. Click OK. Click again in here, sketch 1, and click extrude brush or base. For selected contour, now select this cylinder and this to this. Okay. In here have same thickness or same dip in 38 and 38. So input in here in 38 millimeter. Click OK. Like this. Okay. In this have a cut. The sketch like a slot. So right click on this face and click sketch. Draw in here. Select strike slot in here. Ensure in here to make vertical from this origin point like this. Draw from this to the top. Sorry, we can repeat in here. Click strike slot. Draw this this in here. Set for the line in here in 90 millimeter for distance, and for radius here in 9 millimeter. Okay. In here I forget to apply for distance here to here. For distance here, this point to this here, I set in 50 millimeter. Sorry, but in here in this drawing it's no have a distance. But in here, for example, I set in 50 millimeter for distance. This slot, this point to this point or origin point. This. Then click feature and click extrude cut. For direction, change in blend, but for dip in here in 4 millimeter. Just input in 4 millimeter. Click OK. And done like this. So simple. But in here have in another side have a cut like this. So we just to make a cut in here with feature mirror. Click mirror and feature to mirror. Just click cut extrude 1, and for mirror face or plane, just select in here front plane. Click OK and done. Now in two sides have a cut like this. Then don't forget in here have a fillet radius in 1 millimeter. So select fillet parameter change in 1 millimeter. And item to fillet, click this edge and click this edge. Click OK and done. It's so simple. Now after that we can to make sketch like this. So right click on this face and click sketch. Now we can to draw like a slot in here. Draw center point, strike slot here. Draw from this point like this, and set for distance in here. This slot, the center have distance in 76. So input here in 76 meter like this. And for radius in 9 millimeter, this slot. Okay. And just click feature, click extrude brush or base. Direction is blind, but in here we can reverse direction to the top. The thickness in here in 30. So input here in 30 millimeter for deep or high. Just click OK. Right click on this face and click sketch. We can to convert entities for this face. Click OK. And click feature, click extrude cut. Direction change in through all and click OK. Then we can right click on this face and click sketch. Now we can draw circle and in here. Diameter here in 9 millimeter, and for distance here, a half of 72 is 36. Sorry, a half of 76 is 38 millimeter. Okay, and we can to click mirror entities, and this to mirror, click this circle, and mirror about, just click right plane, click OK. Now we can click feature and click extrude cut, direction is through all, and click OK. Thank you. And don't forget in here F fillet reduce in 1 millimeter. This, so click fillet in here, reduce in 1 millimeter, click this edge and select this edge. Sorry, this edge, click OK and done. Okay, after that we can to apply for appearances in here. So select all the feature. Maybe we can to change the color in white in here. Like tick OK. You can to change for appearances. For example, in here, click this icon. Maybe in metal. In here, you can select in metal. Maybe in polished platinum like this. Okay. Thank you for watching Lilian video. I apologize if there any mistake of our in this tutorial. Thank you and see you in the next tutorial. See you in the next tutorial. Okay. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.